travel over the years, I have collected many colorful ethnic wares from different cultures. One of my favorites is this Mongolian costume, aka Dul. I can just imagine myself on a horseback riding into the Mongolian steppes. But maybe another day. Today, I have a better idea. Why not upcycle these old, dingy t-shirts into something that I would wear? Maybe something inspired by this Mongolian costume? Let's go! I am now finished with cutting up all the t-shirts. With all the pieces flattened, I start to cut the materials into shapes. Four t-shirts flattened give me 4 bias panels for the dress. One t-shirt gives me material for the top, and another t-shirt gives me material for the sleeves. With the remnant, I'm able to cut a shape for the hoodie. In total, I used 6 t-shirts. Now all the pieces are cut. Of course, I don't want to make a white dress. How about deep green color? Next up, I'm heating up the water pot with green dye and starting to dye these pieces. The instruction says 1 bottle of dye for 2 pounds of fabric. I think I may have put too many materials into one pot. I'm hoping one pot will give me more consistent color. You can see my coloring is not perfect, but I'm perfectly fine with the imperfection. It has a bit of stone-washed vibe to it. The Mongolian collar is very intricate. I'm just going to simplify it with this striped fabric that I bought from Walmart. Also, I'll be using this fabric as border to the rest of the dress. This reusable grocery tote bag has seen better days. Today, I'm using it as interface for the border of my dress. Putting it all together and adding a belt to it as well, it is almost finished. Voila! Time to reveal. This has been a very interesting project. I did a lot of improvising and tweaking. It turned out really well. I would wear it to my Christmas party this year. Please let me know what you think. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Thank you for watching.